Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Whoa! Match the color of the passengers by dragging them from the platform. That's the way! Match the color of the passengers by dragging them from the platform to the square of the same color. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Super! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right